Getting your driver's license in Washington is a pretty straightforward process, but the steps depend on whether you want to start practicing first or go straight to the test. If you're 18 or older, you can get your license by passing both the knowledge test and the driving test. You don't need to take driver training or hold a learner's permit if you feel confident enough to go directly to testing. But if you'd like to practice on public roads before your driving test, you'll need a learner permit. To qualify for that, you must always carry your permit while driving and be accompanied by a licensed driver who has at least 5 years of experience. They must sit in the front passenger seat while you're practicing. If you're planning to enroll in a driver training course, a learner permit is required. This lets you practice legally as part of your training. When you're ready for your license, you'll need to pass the knowledge exam first. Once that's done, you can schedule and take your driving skills test. After passing both, you'll receive your standard Washington driver license. There's also an option to apply for an enhanced driver license, or EDL. This type of license works as both a driving credential and a travel document. It can be used at border crossings by land or sea when returning from Canada, Mexico, Bermuda, or the Caribbean. It's also compliant with the REAL ID Act, meaning it can be used for domestic air travel starting May 7, 2025, and to enter certain federal buildings. Your license will arrive by mail, usually within 7 to 10 days. If it hasn't shown up after 30 days, you can contact the Washington Department of Licensing directly at 360-90-3900.